guys, I'm back. Today's going to be a get ready with me for New Year's. Don't mind my voice. I've been doing so many get ready with me's lately. I can't believe this year is already like ending. Hopefully next year is better than this year. I already cleaned my room a little bit because I can't have a dirty room for the new year. Anyway, let's get into the get ready with me. Hey guys, first I'm gonna start off with my hair. I've been doing curly hair these days and we're gonna keep on doing that. So let's get into it. Okay, my hair is ready. Now let's get into the makeup. First I'm gonna start with some concealer. Blush. Powder. Highlights. Eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Mascara. Lip liner. I'm gonna add some lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna add some blush. Setting spray. Okay guys, my hair is ready, the makeup's ready. Now let's pick the outfit. Hey guys, this is what I'm wearing. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys all have a good new year. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.